Want to replace your oven's hinge? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver and a new hinge. Step 1. Remove the old hinge. Fully open the oven door and release the hinge locks. Now set the door at an angle of 45 degrees and lift it out. Loosen the screws securing the hinge. Now take out the hinge. Step 2. Place the new hinge. Place the new hinge in place of the old hinge and tighten the screws. Place the door back on the hinges and lock the hinge locks. Now close the door. You have replaced the hinge and the oven is ready to use again.